See, that was fast, right? It's gonna take me, ah, God damn it. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Thai shrimp curry stir fry, so check it out. Okay, so here are all the ingredients. I'll get to the sauce later. So right here I have a total weight of 500 grams of shrimp. However, when I peel and take off the heads, I'll be left with 250 grams of the shrimp meat. Okay, so, and right here is 100 grams of onion. I have 25 grams of spring onion, and this is 25 grams of celery leaf. And I have 1 fresh red chili, plus 5 dried chilies, 15 grams of garlic, and 3 large eggs. These eggs are an important part of the sauce, and I'll show you why later. To start off, I'm going to take the heads off and peel the shrimp and also devein it. But I'm going to leave the tail on just for a presentation. So to clean it, you take a knife and you run it halfway down the spine of the shrimp and you just pull out the bits. That's it. So what I like about living in Thailand is that I can always go buy fresh shrimp from my local market, which is like a 5-minute walk from my home. And shrimp is a major export product in Thailand. So the shrimp that I buy in the markets, they're never frozen, they're always fresh. Okay, now that I'm done with the shrimp, time to prep the other ingredients. So this is celery leaf. It's a very strong, it's a pretty strong ingredient. It's got a strong taste. It's like eating like a big mouth of celery. And I know some people may not like that. So if you don't, just add like 10 grams of celery leaves. Because if you left this ingredient out, it would not be an authentic Thai dish. So just chop it up into about an inch and a half. And do the same with the spring onion. And the chili, I'm just gonna use about half of it. Just cut it at a diagonal. And I'll just save about 3 pieces for garnish. And this here is half an onion. And for the onion, just slice it up. And for the garlic, just mince it. That's it, that's done. For the dried chilies, just take out the stems and cut it up into about like 3 pieces. Okay, so now that the aromatics are prepared, it's time to make the sauce. In here, I've added 3 tablespoons of curry powder. Make sure you get a good quality curry powder. And then in this cup, I'm gonna add 150 grams of evaporated milk. Evaporated milk is widely used in Southeast Asian cooking. It is used to make sauces and soups. And then right here, I have Thai chili paste. Don't worry, it looks crazy spicy, but it's not. It is more sweet and salty than anything. There's garlic, dried chilies, shallot, sugar, some fish sauce, and peanuts. So I'm gonna put in like 1 generous tablespoon. I need a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon ground white pepper, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and then final ingredient to this sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, and just half of my curry powder. For this half, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of water, and I'm just making a curry paste with this. And I'm gonna add this half of my curry powder when I'm cooking my shrimp and my onions. And then back to this, just give this a nice little thorough mix. And I'm gonna add 3 large beaten eggs to the sauce. And you just want to beat the eggs really well. Okay, just like that. And you add it into your sauce. All right, so in essence, this is an egg sauce and it's gonna create something awesome. What's gonna happen is when the sauce cooks down and reduces, and the eggs will cook and curdle into little small pieces, and when that happens, the egg is going to absorb all the chili paste and the curry powder. I'm telling you, it's one beautiful sauce and it goes great just right over rice. So just mix it up for at least 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm all prepped. I'm about to start cooking. And before I do that, I just want to explain that cooking shrimp is really easy to mess up. If you make a mistake and cook your shrimp too long, it's gonna taste like hard rubber. So this stir fry, you have to be real quick, but don't cook it on a too high of a heat. So to reduce the chance of overcooking your shrimp, have all your ingredients ready by your side. All right, so it's time to cook. I'm gonna put my heat on a medium-high heat, and I'm gonna wait for my wok to smoke. Now, one of the key important part of cooking curry is that you need to add a lot of oil. Oil helps release the flavors of the curry. So here I'm gonna add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. And then I'm gonna throw in my garlic. And then my shrimp. Remember, shrimp overcooks very easy, so I gotta be a little bit quick. And once both sides of the shrimp start to turn color, I'm gonna add my onion. And then toss in my curry paste. And keep the ingredients moving around so that it doesn't cook too fast. Then I'm gonna throw in my red chili. Followed by my sauce. I'm gonna give it one final mix. All right, and because my liquids are inside, I don't need to worry too much about my shrimp overcooking because the sauce will bring down the temperature. And like I mentioned before, the sauce is going to reduce and my eggs will curdle and absorb all the curry sauce as well as that awesome chili paste. Well, check that out. Okay, it's reduced. I'm gonna put in my celery leaves as well as my spring onions. Just mix it. Toss in my red chilies. And that's it. Turn the heat down. You don't need to cook the celery leaves and the spring onions too long because the heat alone from the wok will do enough of the work. It's gonna take me longer to wash all those dishes than it is to make this Thai shrimp curry stir fry. Check that out. That is one beautiful dish. And I've got delicious shrimp that is perfectly cooked. I'll even try one right now. Nice and soft, perfectly cooked. And there you go, my Thai shrimp curry stir fry. Check that out. As I said before, those nice little eggy bits, they've absorbed all the chili paste and the curry, because egg is like a nice little flavor sponge. So I'm gonna give it a try. And the perfect side for this is just plain white jasmine rice. That is so good. The chili paste, that is so good. I'm gonna put some of the egg sauce on my rice too. Give it a try. And there goes a nice little sweetness from the chili paste. As I said, it's not that spicy, but Thai chili paste is a very unique taste to it. So you should definitely try it out. And the curry flavor is just so good also. Even a sauce alone can be an excellent meal. That's just how good it is. Alright everyone, so thank you for joining me again. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please do share it with your friends. And to all my current subscribers, thank you very much. And please do leave comments. I enjoy reading comments and replying. So take care and hope to see you all again next time. Take care and goodbye.